Calculate the length x to an appropriate degree of accuracy. So what this is testing you is your understanding of sines, cosines, all of that stuff. Now, when I was at school, I remembered a saying called SOHCAHTOA. So that means the sine of an angle is the opposite of the hypotenuse. The cosine is, in other words, the car bit is, the cosine is the adjacent side of the hypotenuse, and TOA represents tan, which is the opposite over the adjacent side. So what are your opposite and adjacent sides? It depends on where your angle is. So for this angle, the opposite is the side opposite, literally, so that's opposite. The adjacent side is the one next to the angle. So why isn't this the adjacent? Well, it's the longest side in the triangle, and that's in a right angle triangle, I should say. So that's the hypotenuse. We know it's a right angle triangle because we've got that symbol there. So calculate the length x to an appropriate degree of accuracy. So as I say, using SOHCAHTOA, we want to find out the opposite, and we know the hypotenuse. So the SOH part of SOHCAHTOA works. So the sine of 34 degrees is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. So sine 34 degrees is equal to x over 85, and put millimeters. So multiplying both sides by 85 and swapping things around means x is equal. So using a calculator, that is going to be equal to 70.5 millimeters.